Aloha, my friends. This is Billy Wigley coming at you from the Ninth Island, Las Vegas, Nevada. How you doing today, my friend? Are you staying positive? Because you know that's the only way to be. And I got to show you really fast what's going on right here. This is my original Excel site right here. I got this bundle. I'm an Excel instructor. I'm not a web page designer, anything like that. But I thought, let me go ahead and give it a shot. And I ended up coming up with what I call my Frankenstein page. And it's just a jumble of a bunch of different pages I looked at, and I kept adding things, and it just got bigger and bigger and bigger. And then it just takes forever to download, and then it's not mobile friendly. When you look at it on mobile, everything's kind of out of whack. So I went from this to this, much nicer. Got my chatbot right there, and nice design. And when you look at this on mobile, it looks perfect. It's perfectly like if it was designed for mobile. And you got to check this one out. This is my AI for Leaders course, my original landing page for my course. There's just a curriculum, and that's it. And we've gone to this right here, much nicer. AI for Leaders. This page is perfect on mobile. You look at it, and look, it's nicely designed. The colors are just right. Everything's really cool. I love it. I love it. And the way that I did it is with Pagemaker. So you got to try Pagemaker. The coolest thing about Pagemaker is you design mobile first, and it's solid. Everything works just right. Let me open up quickly in the editor so that you can see that the design is mobile first. So we just build in mobile right here, so we know that it's going to be perfect. I mean, you're probably watching this on a mobile device, and the majority of people are surfing the net on mobile. There's tons of different plugins that you can use right here. Not plugins, but modules. All these are modules right in here. It's so easy to work with. When we go back to the main page, you can see that you've got all these features: analytics, forms, specific settings. You've got Amazon pages preset already. For example, templates. Look at these templates. These are all great templates, perfectly designed, perfectly made. If I just go over here to education, you're going to see, look at this one right here. Does this one look familiar to you? Let's just do a quick preview of it. Look at that. That's my 7 Steps to Excel Success site, except I've modified the modules, and it loads super fast. That's one of the things that I love about my Pagemaker pages. When you load them, boom, they load right up, easy. We've got, if you want to customize it even further, you can do custom styling sheets, your JavaScripts, because I've got bots. I got bots in my original site. And I was like, how am I going to get those bots into the PageMaker? It's easy. Look, here it is right there. And here's my other PageMaker page. There's my bot. They made it easy. This just JavaScripts. So right here are all my different bots. So if I was to click, it's so easy. Where is it supposed to go, in the head or the body? Because sometimes I'd get the code and it would tell me, you got to put it in the head. And I'm like, where's the head? Where's the body? Right here, it's just, you just click. It's supposed to go in the head. And then you just put in the code where you need it to go. And you can even turn it on or off right there. Just so easy. And the plugins, I don't have to know coding to decide how am I going to put in my Google tags or my Facebook pixel. I always struggled with that. No, over here, they're just going to ask you to just click here and put in your pixel number. Boom. That's all it takes. And your custom domains, and there's just so much more. I don't want to spend a whole bunch of time over here. I just need you to know that I highly recommend PageMaker. I'm excited about it. I love working with it. Everything comes out beautiful. The support is great. Whenever I got a question, I just message them, or I go in the Facebook group and I get answers. Thank you, PageMaker. I love the sites, I love the support, and I really appreciate it, making it easy for me. Whew. And like I always say, don't get mad. Get yourself some skills. Aloha.